Hi guys, it's your boy Manuel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove background in Adobe Photoshop. So this is the image we are using for today's tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe in case you are new and share this link as well for someone to watch. I know it is going to help a beginner out there. Let's get into the video. Okay, so now we have our image here. This is the image we are going to use. There are different ways of picking out backgrounds. You can use the lasso tool and the tools over here. Some also use the quick selection tool, and some may use the eraser tool or the magic eraser tool. But mostly I use the pen tool to crop my images, and it is so easy for me. So I'm going to show you guys how it's done. First, you select the pen tool over here. You come to path and then you select your image. It is always advisable to create a copy of your image. So to create a copy, you duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J or Command J in case you are using a MacBook. So now you have a copy of your image. You can hide the first one or the second one. So you can see that this is an empty page or an empty background, and now we have our image here. So the first thing is to start from the easy part. I normally like to start from the easy part. You come to this side and then you start cropping or following the lines of the body so that you get a perfect cut for your work that you're using or you use your image for. It is always advisable to cut in so you don't have white edges after you are done cropping the image. So you follow the outline of the image you're using. Sometimes, if you are lucky, you get an image with a fine outline. Sometimes you get images with rough outlines. But always ensure you get the perfect image for your work, and you are good to go. So basically, this is how to go about it. You just follow the lines. Sometimes you have to use your own creativity to do some certain cuttings, which is going to help you with your work depending on the image you are using. So with this one, I'm trying to follow the lines of the gentleman over here, and then I'm going to be able to do it. So this is how it's done: cropping or cutting out the background so I get the original image for my work. This is how it goes. Whilst we are doing this, please don't forget to subscribe in case you are new, and then share the link in case you are an old member. I think I have to get a name for people who watch my content, so you guys can suggest a name. So now we have our first part being taken off. You can see now we have the plain background here. Let's try and get this place off as well and see how the whole thing comes out. So others sometimes use a quick selection tool, as I said at the intro, and then for some of us, we still stick to using the pen tool, fell in love with it, and now here we are using it all the time. I'll try and do a video about this same tool again, which is the pen tool, that has a lot of functions. So you can use the pen tool for a lot of things, and it is not only for cropping out images, but then there are other things that you can do with the pen tool, which is amazing. One of the most used tools in Photoshop. Aside cropping, people use it for animation, for drawing characters or shapes. It's easy to use the pen to draw shapes because you have access to what you are drawing, so you draw it how you want it and how you want it to appear. That is how the pen tool works. So the pen tool is having a lot of functions, just that some people only stick to using it for cropping or just one or two things, which to me I think is not really that cool. Yes. So sometimes some people choose to follow the same let me say curved or crooked hairstyles of the image they are cropping. Some go to the extent of making it so simple for them by just cropping the outline so they are easy to go their way, and then get to do other things. So that's what I just did. Now I have my image ready for use. So this is before and then now after. So now we have our plain background here, and then this is the cropped image. So guys, this is basically how to crop images with the pen tool, one of the easiest ways and the techniques to do or use as a graphic designer. I hope this video helped a beginner out there, even professionals as well. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please support this channel by subscribing in case you are new, and kindly share the link for others to learn. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.